Oh my, no way. He swallowed that. No way. He actually swallowed that. Check that out. Not bad for a first carp. A carp on a prop duster. Oh my God. There it is. That is a freaking tank, man. Check that out. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a good take. Look at this, boys. Isn't that crazy? Check out that mouth. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chris, that's my PB. That's my PB. Let's go. Woo! Man, there's some big bluegill in here. Well, I got a bluegill that's interested. Man, that thing looks awesome though. So this is the last little bit of shade that they have besides that other bank. Oh, and some rocks right down here in front of me. There's a bass here, man. Like if the big ones are out right now, I expect them to be in this shade right next to the dock. Holy bluegill though. Some big old bluegill in here. Yeah, and they're just sitting in the shade, right on the shade line, so. Oh my God. I wish you guys could see, and maybe you can. There's a whole school of bluegill and bass just chilling right here. The bass aren't very big. Bluegill are monstrous. That's why I'm throwing this prop duster right now. This is the profile to match it. There's a school of bass and bluegill right here in front of me. I mean, this is where they're gonna be. It's the last bit of shade they have. All right, guys, I've switched over to the good old smuggler. Got the sparrow color. I'm just gonna flip it right here next to this dock. You guys are gonna have to deal with old seagull today. Oh my God. Let me see if this carp will hit it. I don't know if the GoPro got that. That was the biggest fish I've ever seen in my life. That's a pond fish, and it was easily pushing 25 pounds. Holy crap, man. What a carp. Imagine if that carp came up and nailed this thing. Wouldn't that be insane? Holy carp. Noah, look at that carp. See that thing? Look at it. Really? What do you got on right now? Okay. Yeah, I saw a 20 plus carp right over here, right in front of me. I mean, there are just so many bluegill in here. If I'm gonna open water fish this place, I'm gonna have to do it with the prop duster. It's the perfect profile. It's got the right action. If there are any big bass in here, man, you know they're swallowing these bluegill. And there's some tank bluegill too. Tank carp, tank bluegill, so there gotta be some giant bass in here. Yeah, that's where I'm going to.
Good luck.
All right, adios, my chachu.
I'll holler at you when I catch one.
All right, that's what I like to hear, sir. Oh, it sounds like Noah's got one. You got one, dude? Okay, let's go check her out. I think he said it's the biggest one he's caught here, so let's go check this puppy out. Oh man, oh man. Yo, you seen these carp out here? Yeah, that's a pretty solid little chunk, dude. Yes, sir, the Guggen baits. Check that out, boys. First fish of the day.
Here you go.
Look at that. Are you gonna let me hold it? Look at that little guy. Little tank to be. Got him on the good old lunker log. What color you got on, buddy?
Huh?
What color is that?
Watermelon red.
Watermelon red. You care if I release him too?
Good.
Sweet, man. No, it's just wacky rigging a little lunker log. There you go.
I can't believe I called my shot like that.
Yes, sir.
I told Noah, I said, watch this, first cast.
All right, buddy.
My line messed up, and I started reeling in my splash and it was like,
just gonna drop you in. There you go.
Hey, what's cool about this van?
Yes, sir. Look at him just slice through that. That's awesome. There we go. I could hear that drag, dude. Look at that, boys. Little wacky rig fish.
Number 4 of the day.
Is it 3? I thought it was 3. Is it 3 or did you catch another one over
I
there?
caught another one over there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
There you go, boys. Check that out. Check that out. Yes, sir. Came and hit the wacky rig.
Nice.
Came right up off these rocks, right?
Yep. I had it coming up, like I let it sink on the backside. That is a pig.
I know, dude. They're all around
I let
the
it
stock.
sink on the backside, and then I pulled it through the gap right here, and he come out from behind it and just took it quick. But
Adios, muchacho. Thanks for coming up and saying hey. The way he's
Did you
pulling
see
drag.
him?
No, I didn't see him. What'd he do?
the water, and
Oh, and went straight under the dock?
and jumped back out of the water.
Legend, dude.
What a dad! There you go. Put it on your GoPro. GoPro it.
Noah's second fish of the day.
No, actually, that's not 4.
Oh, that's your 4th? Look at that little guy. Homeboy forgot some pliers, but don't worry, he's gonna live. There he goes. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my god. Here, grab line, grab line.
I'm just gonna whip him.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
That's probably a 2.
He's been caught before.
Wait, he's been caught 4?
See that? That's
Oh.
where your hook was. That's where he was hooked previously. Let me get a video.
Yeah.
I got a video of you bringing that thing in. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Another little wacky rig bass right there. Wait. A little quick sniff. Yes, sir. Let me get that off for you. Even though you're gonna go right back into it. I know you are. See you later, big guy.
Jesus, man, he was fired up.
All right, guys, well, we have left the pond and now we're at the riverfront. Talking to YouTube, shut up. Noah's using a wacky worm in all this current, and I'm using the good old drunken mullet, golden shiner color. I'll respect you if you catch a smallmouth in all this current on a wacky worm. Oh, did you see that? That was a small, there was a smallie sitting right here. Did you see? Dude, he's hit it 3 times. Did you see that? Dude, that is a tank. That is like 3 pounds easy. Don't steal my fish. What are you doing? Check this place out. This is the lowest I've ever seen it. It's usually filled up. My head would be underwater right now. Well, guys, as you can see, we're back at Rogersville. But today, we are not gonna start down here. We're gonna go up here since these boat people are down here. Look at how different this place looks. And I don't have a frog. Hot damn. That's okay, because we have the smuggler tied on right now. And that's actually what I'm gonna start with. But man, this place looks gorgeous today. It's absolutely beautiful. Water's a lot lower than normal. Current's not nearly as strong right here at the dam. And I mean, just look at this. Hot damn. All right, well, let's stop talking and let's start casting. Well, I'm gonna be honest. With it being this overgrown, I don't think they're gonna be out in the open water unless I can get out there and work it parallel to this grass line. I don't see me getting a bite in the open water, so I'm gonna go down here and start fishing the dam before it gets too hot. All right, guys, so I've gone ahead and made the change to the 360 GT. I'm just gonna throw it out here next to this dam. Oh my God. I don't know what that was. Oh my God, what was that? Something just tried to come up and eat this thing. What the hell? That wasn't the current, was it? I'm gonna have to wash that back. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a good largie. Oh man. That was like a 3.5 pounder right there. Let's see if these guys catch any shad with that net. If they don't, I think I'm gonna call it quits. I don't think they caught any. That's not very promising to the fishing scene. Bash aren't gonna push up here unless there's food. So lads and gents, I think that's where we call it quits here at Rogersville. We're gonna go link up with both the Noahs. But regardless, I'll see you guys when we get there. Holy bluegill. I mean, those are some tanky bluegill right there. Oh my, no way. Oh my God, boys, look at that. Oh my, I had like a school of 5 chasing this. Oh my God, woo! I've never been so hyped to catch a bluegill in my life. That was insane. Look at that. What is, dude, there was like 4 that size. I gotta go get Noah's pliers. The bird, baby. That is a bluegill. Look at that. The bird, the bird. Let me show you this little tank of a bluegill. That's what I was talking about. Look how fat that is. That is a chunky bluegill. We'll get this guy off and then put him back in. Oi, I just want to show you off to the world, buddy. Look at that, first fish on the bird today. I don't know if the GoPro got that, but I had like 8 of these things chasing. Well, that's a cool way to start the day. Look at that, boys. That's insane. All right, buddy. See you later. You got it, don't worry. There you go. Wow, that was crazy. So that's obviously not how I expected to start the day. But we're at the private pond that Noah has access to in Bristol. And as you guys can tell, I'm starting out with the white cockatoo smuggler. No, I already got a bluegill on it. What the heck was that? He slammed that thing too. Little champion. I don't know where he chased it from though. Oh my God, they're on it again. That is a skull of bluegill on the bird. Let's see if we can get one to bite. Here they come, they are sending money. Look at them. What in the world? That is an entire school. There's like 20 bluegill on this thing. I don't see the skull of bluegill anymore. So I think the bass and the bluegill both moved on, but they've pushed a little bit further underneath this dock. So I'm gonna actually go over here and work this area where Noah, well, both the Noahs are actually working. We're gonna see if we can get some bites. Here, yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby.
There we go,
There we
boys.
go.
Look at that.
Look at that. That f***ing tank boy.
Holy needle teeth, look at this.
I know, he shredded my teeth.
Yeah, dude.
On my finger.
Well, Noah gets the first bass of the day. That was great.
Yeah.
Yeah. 360. Dual flip. It's been kind of slow today, but Noah secures the first bass. other Noah gets the first log. I've just acquired the news. We're kind of hoping they'd be patrolling today, but looks like they're still in their summer pattern right now. But yeah, only thing I've seen today of size is a carp. Saw like a 2-pound bass and that's it.
Oh, whoa.
Oh my God, is that that?
Take a whiff, take a whiff.
Oh my God, that is rancid. Is that what you caught him on?
No, I caught him on the Guggen dragon drop.
The dragon drop. Hear that, John B?
Yeah.
That's for you. And look at this. Look at this plebe.
Hey.
Look what he's throwing though. Can we get it in the light?
It is a plum apple power worm, power bait ribbon tail,
Looks pretty nice.
and it gets hammered.
Yes. Just not by bass apparently.
Heck yeah.
Check that out, boys. Noah caught one. I think I'm in frame. Not a bad little fish. Ow! Got some little needle teeth, my dude. Check over there. I might have left him over there when I dehooked that bluegill. On the bank somewhere over there. Just walk over there, you'll see him.
Am I AP Bassett?
Which one? I
That's
caught
it, that's
this on a
wrong.
piece of lettuce.
Poor little guys look pretty deep, but don't worry, we'll get him off. And we got him on hook, boys. We're gonna release him now.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Good boy.
There you go. He's like, God, I'm never eating another worm in my entire life. Look at who's joined the scoreboard.
Woo, baby.
Looky there.
Drop
shot. Look at that. That's a thumbnail, baby.
Doink boys, baby.
Yes, sir. They don't call us Doink Boys for nothing. Just gonna drop him in.
Yeah, just gonna toss him.
And he's off.